I needed to make water on the barren Mars, so I used the chemistry I learned. I took the hydrazine fuel from the ship, then used the rare metal iridium as a catalyst. Dripped it slowly to separate hydrogen and nitrogen from the hydrazine. Then I channeled the hydrogen into a container and finally lit a flame, burning hydrogen and oxygen together. I got precious water. But I totally missed one crucial thing: the oxygen I was breathing out. After learning from that mistake, this time I got smarter. I suited up nice and tight, lit the flame, and started the water machine again. As the device kept running, drops covered the plastic sheet around the farm. The irrigation problem that bothered me was finally fixed. Now all I had to do was maintain the fields and wait. I'd have enough food to last till rescue. During that time, I wasn't just sitting around. With food as my motivation, I started fixing all the stuff wrecked by the storm. I felt pumped and full of energy. Soon the first batch of Mars potatoes was ready, thanks to all my care. The original dozen or so potatoes multiplied 20 times. I kept the big ones to eat and planted the small ones again. While enjoying what I'd grown, I didn't forget that getting off Mars was the real goal. The first thing I had to do was contact Earth. Then I remembered the first Pathfinder mission. Its rover had equipment to transmit images from the surface. I drove out right away to look for Pathfinder, but I only had a rough idea where it was. I didn't know the exact spot. Luckily, time was one thing I had plenty of. Every day I took care of potatoes and searched. Finally, my effort paid off. I found where Pathfinder was buried. When I brought it back to the hab and powered it up, NASA instantly sent a transmission signal. Pathfinder on Mars moved just like it was told. I didn't know if it was automatic or human-controlled, but I didn't want to miss a chance, so I grabbed pen and paper, wrote down my questions and answers, then stared, eagerly waiting for the camera to turn. After NASA got the images I sent back, they aimed the camera right at my sign. When I realized Pathfinder was being controlled by people, I started jumping around like crazy. After being stuck on Mars for over 100 days, I finally connected with Earth using my own hands.